And what is this? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you what I got from Amazon Fresh. Amazon Fresh is a grocery delivery site on Amazon. You can get your groceries online and have it delivered at your doorstep. Delivery is free if you reach a minimum of $35. My friend Diana actually told me and recommended me to use Amazon Fresh, so thank you Diana for the rec. I knew that Amazon Fresh has been around for a while, but I never got around to trying it out. So today is my first time trying out Amazon Fresh. I ordered these groceries really late last night and there were different delivery options, but after I selected all the items in the cart, there were not that many options left, so I just picked the earliest time, which was from 6 to 8 p.m. If you have an Amazon Prime account, check to see if Amazon Fresh delivers in your area. I live in San Francisco and there are so many grocery deliveries since it is pretty inconvenient in San Francisco to get groceries unless you have a car. Thankfully, my husband does have a car, but when I was living with roommates, I didn't have a car and I was in the middle of the city that didn't have that many grocery stores nearby. So grocery delivery is definitely super useful when you're in major cities. I ordered about $110 in groceries. These were all of the groceries that I got. So I definitely ordered quite a bit of groceries. There's a lot of good stuff in there and I'm super excited for so many things. I have so many recipes to make this week and I can't wait. Ordering the groceries were super easy. You can just click on fruits and vegetables, meat and seafood, dairy, cheese and eggs, and we can go through them and see what's available at Amazon Fresh. They have so many items to choose from, like just looking at the dairy section. There are so many types of eggs, yogurts, cheeses, milk, so they have a pretty good selection considering that it's a delivery site. And I think for the most part, if you're looking for the basic staples, milk, eggs, cheese, yogurt, snacks, cereal, they have quite a big selection, which is awesome. We didn't really feel like getting out of our condo this weekend, so we decided to give this service a try and I got everything that I wanted from Amazon Fresh that we needed for the week. While the prices are a little bit more expensive than you would find at a regular grocery store, they're not that much more expensive. This would probably only be $10 more expensive than normal, so I think it's a pretty good value considering that these groceries are delivered to you. So I think in terms of convenience, it's really worth it. Like this video if you like groceries. Subscribe down to my channel below so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If this is your first time to my channel, hello. My name is Tiffany and I work in finance. I post videos on YouTube related to lifestyle, productivity, recipes, and day in my life, so be sure to subscribe down to my channel. Without further ado, let's see what I got. We just got our Amazon Fresh delivery. We have so many bags. They're putting them in these Animal Crossing bags and they're super cute. We have them on this little cart and we're just going to take the groceries in. We just unloaded these into our condo and we have 7 bags and our sparkling water. So let me do an unboxing for you. Honestly, I can't get over how cute they are. They are the cutest bags ever. This is the first bag that we're unboxing. Has a bunch of labels on the bag. It doesn't feel that it's insulated, so let's go take a look inside. Oh wow, okay. Lots of good stuff in here. We have these organic baby carrots. Love me some carrots. A cucumber, another cucumber, some Roma tomatoes, bag of oranges. I got a message. Oh wow, red butter lettuce. This is so unexpected. I didn't think that it would be like this with the roots still intact. I I'm gonna put this in the fridge, but before that, I'm going to sanitize these with my cleaning cloths that I made. So let's go do that before I put them into the fridge. These are basically DIY Clorox wipes, and I'm just going to sanitize some of the labels and stuff before I put them away. I made them myself, and I used old t-shirts that I no longer wear. I cut them up and I use them as cleaning cloths. So they're super eco-friendly. Also, I'm sure you have a bunch of t-shirts lying around that you don't use, so just make them into something that you can use. So this was what was in box number 1. Okay, so 1 bag down and more to go. Also, what I just noticed that this is designed 2 out of 3 of the bag. This is so cute. Let's go move on to the second bag. Oh, this is another heavy bag. Organic chopped kale from 365 Everyday Value. Ultra thin oven roasted turkey breast. I can't wait to make sandwiches with this. And what is this? Oh my gosh. So these are the eggs. They're packaged so nicely. I ordered 2 dozen eggs. I'm so glad that they packaged it this way. So they have a sleeve of cardboard around it and these rubber bands to keep it in place. It's super secured. I'm going to unwrap these and let's see if all the eggs are intact. They are looking good and wow, they're really cold still. None of them are cracked. So nice that they thought to package it that way so they don't move around in shipment. I wish you can touch it. It's so cold, but I'm really impressed with the service. So let's go wipe these. This was bag number 2. I just got bag number 3. Let's go open this up. This one's actually so much lighter than the previous 2. I wonder which one this is. Organic baby spinach that I got. Oh, I got 2 bags of baby spinach. I don't remember ordering 2 bags of organic baby spinach, but I do remember that I wanted to use baby spinach in my smoothie recipes. I think this is why I got 2 bags. I really like how it's still super fresh, so I really appreciate the quality that I got from Amazon Fresh. And what is this? Oh, wow. So this is where they put the chicken breast. It's not insulated, so I'm going to definitely put this right away in the fridge. For that, obviously, I'm going to wipe them down. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is super heavy. Okay, it didn't take me far to move this bag, but it is pretty heavy. Oh my gosh. So excited for this bag. So first thing is these 2-bite blueberry scones. I am so excited for them. I can't wait to try these. I think I've gotten a different flavor last time. I'm looking forward to having these. Oro wheat 100% whole wheat bread. Love me some whole wheat bread. Organic Dijon mustard. I really want to make some egg salad and potato salad and maybe even macaroni salad. I can't wait to use this in those recipes. Got my coconut water. This is the Zico coconut water. I really like this brand. Some salsa. This is the organic thick and chunky medium salsa. It looks really good. We have so many chips right now, so I can't wait to eat some salsa with those chips. Yum. Oh my gosh, I'm like breaking up into a sweat with dealing with these groceries. Got some spicy pizza sauce. I made some pizza dough and I really can't wait to use this pizza sauce. It's also organic. Really can't wait to use a spicy one, and let's see, that adds a lot more flavor to the pizza. Got some roasted and salted cashews, and last but not least, got a box of Pop-Tarts. I have been craving Pop-Tarts for so long. I probably haven't had these in literally years. So I am super excited. This is the variety pack. So I have the frosted strawberry, frosted cherry, frosted blueberry. I am a little bit sad that I didn't get the s'mores one. You have to get the s'mores one separately. Either I had to choose the s'mores or get this variety pack, and I chose the variety pack. Try all these flavors again. I think I actually haven't tried the frosted blueberry one before. Can't wait to have these tomorrow. Treat yourself. Like this video if you like Pop-Tarts. Comment down below what's your favorite childhood snack. That is it for my bag. This was all the stuff from this bag. Okay, so let's go start wiping them. Okay, this Here's another heavy bag. Let's go take a look. This is what is in this bag. Got my strawberries. Love strawberries and I've been craving them. Strawberries are probably one of my favorite fruits. That's awesome. Oh, this is so heavy. So this thing right here is all wrapped up. So I like how they kept it separate. So these are my celery. Oh, there's something else in here too. What is this? Oh, these are my green onions. Green onions. You can use them in a lot of different foods and recipes. Wow, these are huge celery sticks. Okay, I have 2 bunches of celery. There are actually a lot of celery in this. I'm going to wipe the strawberry containers down and let's go put them away. This was what was in that bag. So strawberries, green onions, and some celery. This is my second to last bag. I got 2 of these. Yay, can't wait to make some salads. Chobani yogurt. My other chicken breast. Let's go wipe these. These were the groceries in that bag. This is the last bag and I have the sparkling water, so I'm just gonna show it here all together. So I got my bananas in this one, another bag of bananas, some organic dill, ginger, it's a lot of ginger, and an onion. I'm really excited for the sparkling water. I heard really good reviews about this sparkling water. It is the AHA sparkling water. You can get it at Whole Foods. This is the citrus and green tea flavor, so I really hope this tastes good. I am a huge fan for sparkling water. We just ran through a box of Spindrift water and I really like that. I can't wait to try this out. This will be my first time trying it out. This was the last bag. I have all of these groceries on my counter, so let's go put them away in the fridge. About Amazon Fresh. I think that it is such a great service that Amazon has. The delivery came as expected, so the delivery window was from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and it came at around 7:30 on time. It was within those delivery windows. Also, most of the items that I got were high quality and none of them were bad. The eggs were still cold, meats were still cold as well, so it really packaged everything really well. I really liked how it packed the eggs with the cardboard to make sure that it was super secure. It was also super convenient to order online at the comfort of your phone or tablet. It was super easy and they have a really good selection. I also like that you don't have to pay extra for the Amazon Fresh subscription since it comes with your Amazon Prime account, so that's super convenient and really easy to access. So I will for sure be using this service in the future if I don't want to get groceries outside. I highly recommend using Amazon Fresh. Don't forget to subscribe down to my channel below. I also run a blog called The Smarty Femme, so be sure to check it out. I'll have the links down below. So I really hope you liked my video today. Now my fridge is stocked with all of these delicious groceries. I can't wait to make some of my recipes. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I love them. So, oh my gosh! They are my favorite food. Ah.